You broke. You is broke. And it's okay to be broke, but it's not okay to stay broke.
I can believe I'm making this small. Trying to tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Let the real speak, let the fake be gone. Let them fake on, let them niggas gone. Keep my ass on, I've been on my own.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Icy Mike in the cut, you feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, I woke up today, I decided to put y'all on to some game, man. You feel me? I had this little video like a week or two ago, y'all can see right here. You feel me? Best ways to make money in 2024. And I thought, what are some other ways I can help y'all get to where y'all want to be in life? You feel me? Let me be a little educational teacher, you feel me? And I decided that I was gonna make a little video when I got back, because I know all y'all got these summer plans, and I'm gonna show y'all how to get ready for the summer. You feel me? Things you want to take care of, and basically things you want to take care of in 2024. You feel me? So yeah, we gonna get to that. I got some food. We're gonna make some tacos too. I'm gonna show y'all how them turn out. I'm gonna smack down on them while I'm doing the video so y'all can see how good they look. And I don't know how to cook, so it's gonna look interesting. But yeah though, I'm gonna put y'all on. Best ways to make money, and no wait, scratch that. Things you wanna take care of before the end of 2024. Let's get to it. Man, hey, after that long, excruciating walk and a little outfit change, as y'all can see, put y'all on. Can y'all see? A little outfit change. I think I'm ready to put y'all on to the sauce. You feel me? Let me make sure this mic's on. This mic on? I think it's on. It better be on. But yeah, I'm gonna put you on to the things you need to take care of before the end of 2024. Because if you don't have these things taken care of, then what is you doing with your life? You feel me? You broke. You is broke. And it's okay to be broke, but it's not okay to stay broke. So I'm gonna help y'all not stay broke. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, first thing on the board we got is your credit. Man, I know y'all hear this all the time. Credit, 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 credit. And the reason why you hear this is because it's really important. If you're about my age, you're 19, you feel me, freshman in college, credit is still important to you. You have student loans, right? Like, you feel me? So this is like the time you really want to start building your credit score. And you could do that by obtaining a credit card, paying little bills, having a car loan if you recently purchased a vehicle, stuff like that. And building your credit is a great way to like, what's it called? Great way to build credit reliability. And with that, you could take loans and stuff like business loans that you might need later for like a little project you're working on. Like say you buy a little laundromat and you need good credit to get the loan that you need to get the laundromat. Well, if you would have started building your credit score at the age of 19 or something, you feel me, your credit might be a little 715, 750. You would have had enough credit to get that little loan that you needed to start your business and make more money. Credit is your friend. Don't run from it. Don't hide from it. Just make sure you can afford it. Yeah, but that's one though, credit. Now we're on the two. For two, you want to start, what's that word I'm looking for, guys? Help me out here. Oh, passive incomes. You feel me? I don't got notes. I'm just saying it. But yeah, passive incomes. You want to start in 2024. Not even start. Like you should be building your passive. Well, I guess that is start. Build your passive incomes. You feel me? Like incomes that come into your account without you having to do much work. That is the definition of passive income, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, passive incomes could be things like what could I say? Investments. Wait, maybe I should get more specific. Like vending machines are a great passive income. I know that it takes very low maintenance and you can make a little bit of money from it. Another passive income could be a laundromat. I mean, once you get the laundromat, you really just getting the money, you paying the bills with it, and then checking up on the machines here and there, here and there. There are different scales to passive incomes. One that take very, very low maintenance, and one that just take like a little bit of maintenance. But yeah, acquire you a passive income. I mean, who doesn't want a little bit of money coming into their account without them having to do much work? Like, come on now. Who wants to work for money? Let your money work for you. No duh. But yeah, that's two. Get your passive incomes together. It could be anything. I have a list of them right here for y'all. They're not coming off the top of my head, but yeah. Go ahead, tap into the passive incomes. Number 3, I know y'all not gonna want to hear this. You feel me? I ain't much of it either, but social media influence. Now, let me tell you, social media doesn't make who you are, but who you present yourself to be on social media could go a long way. The more influence you have on there, the more, like, what's it called? The more of a chance you have to get a sale. Like, say, for example, my Walk by Faith brand. Like, say I had a good 100K followers. If y'all want to go ahead and follow my Instagram and get me there. And because I have 100K, I drop a new clothing. Now I have 100K people in my audience that are available to buy my clothes just off the rip with no marketing, right there, just for me posting it on my Instagram. That's what I'm saying. Like, social media influence is something that you really need to start getting on. Start to make yourself more presentable on social media. I'm not saying get 1 million followers, but I am saying, like, stay more consistent on your post and brand yourself. Like, turn yourself into a brand. Like, I mean, what else are you good for? All you do is eat and sleep all day. But yeah, that's number 3 though, social media influence. So we've gone through credit, passive income, and social media influence. I think I'm gonna throw y'all one more. So on to number 4. Of things that you should take care of in 2024 or before the end of 2024 is investments. By investments, I mean like things that bring you money in the long run, like stock portfolios or mutual funds or CDs, like stuff like that. Stuff that in the long run, 10 years from now, is gonna make you money. You feel me? Because who don't want to, you feel me, be saving up here and there. Like a 401k is another, like, I guess it's not an investment. That's just from your job. But you get what I mean, though. Get you some investments. 10 years down the line, it's going to help you a lot. So tap into that. And yeah, real estate is a great thing to invest in as well. I know from the stocks, my mind's drawing a blank. But yeah, that's 4 things you need to take care of before 2024. And if you don't have them taken care of before 2024, I don't know what to tell you. You must want to stay broke. I did say it was okay to be broke. I did not say it was okay to stay broke. So if you staying broke, that's on you, my boy. And if you're okay with that, then hey, be cool with that. But yeah, those are the 4 things that you probably need to take care of before the end of 2024 if you want any shot at being successful. And if I missed anything, just let me know down in the description. If you want to correct me on anything, let me know down in the comments. Brains on like 2. And if I missed anything else, just leave it in the comments for me, man. Correct me if you want to. I love the engagement. And yeah, you feel me? And I didn't get to eat the tacos like I said I was going to eat because the meat had to defrost. So it is what it is. But I'm going to show y'all another video of me trying to cook. But yeah, without further ado, it's your boy Icy Mike. Take your dreads. And we out.